Today we're going to do the shoulder bridge. So it's going to stretch your back and work your butt. So you're going to start lying down on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the mat. Make sure your feet are aligned with the hips, arms by your side. And first to warm up, just roll up to the shoulders and then slowly roll down, articulate your spine. One vertebra at a time, and at the end the tailbone goes down. And again, roll up and roll back down. So you can do a few of those. Roll up. And you want to feel a stretch as well in your thighs. And roll down. Then you're going to go up, step there, and you're going to do tiny movement down and up with the hips, squeezing your bottom on the way up. 3, 4, 5. You can go up to 10 of those. And then you slowly roll down. And you can do a few more sets like this. Going up and down, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you really want to feel like there and roll down. Now variation, you can come up again. One leg is going to go up and go down and up. 2. So now you're feeling 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're down, hip stays up. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Foot down.